Hey guys, so today, first off, today was the Jeffree Star Valentine's launch, so I'm excited to announce that I did end up getting two of the smaller ones, the premiums I think is what they are. I was aiming for the big one, but that launching stuff is crazy. If you've never been a part of it, crazy. Like, I don't even, that was my first launch. Normally I'm just kind of like, I'll get it when it comes out, or I'll get it later. I'm never big to be like, oh, I gotta have it the day that it comes out. But with all of the exclusive stuff, I feel like if you don't get in there and get it, then you'll miss out forever. And I think that's definitely a very good marketing trick because he definitely had me wrapped. So I set my alarm in my phone like a week ago that the launch was happening, the time, 2 reminders, and literally I had a friend over, 2 minutes till 1. I looked at the clock and I had realized I had missed both of my alarms because we were just talking, and I was like, hold on girl, I gotta do something real quick. And it took me 20 minutes and I had the big one in my bag or my cart, and I went to check out and it was like sold out. I was like, really? Sucked. So I ended up, the smaller ones were still available, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those because I figured for the price wise it's about the same. I know that there's a really good chance that I get duplicate things, but we'll see. And then Jeffree tweeted shortly after that they were sold out, and then he also tweeted that the premium box, the people that got the premium box were in for a shock. So whatever that means, I am apparently going to be shocked at least once with whatever it is, and maybe twice. We'll see. I'm really excited. And then on a couple of the pages I follow on Facebook, there was a girl who, she was talking about how she already got her shipment confirmation. So that's pretty cool. I haven't gotten mine yet, but we'll see. And he did say that they were planning on getting them out a lot faster than what they have in the past. Now I can't complain because I've never had one, so stay tuned for that because that unboxing is coming soon and I am thoroughly pumped. Now the second thing that even sparked this video was, well, second-ish, third-ish, I've been needing to make one for all 43 of my followers. Maybe it's 45 now, I don't know. Anyways, I got my Boxy Charm add-ons, so I was just going to open that and share that with you guys. I truthfully don't even remember what I got, so there's that. That's, I think, the biggest flaw that I have found with them is that you can literally order something like 5 weeks ago and it just shows up. It's like, oh, thanks for showing up. We're getting ready to start the next month. Anyways. Package. Just flashed everybody my address. Sometimes their add-ons come in a box. This time it came in an envelope. Kind of makes me nervous. Yes. So the first thing we have is the Laura Geller Peach Glow Highlight. I'm so excited about this because I'm gonna set this over here. I'm so excited about this because I have this in the little ones and I really like it. It's it's not super, it's just subtle. It's like a subtle glow. So I'm pretty excited about that. I have these little ones. These similar formula, I think. Then we got the Whimsical Conditioning Lip Polish. So this I'm pretty excited about. It just says that it's a base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils. Help keep the lips exfoliated, silky smooth, and protected. So, pretty excited about that. This is, of course, I have several of these melted, Too Faced melted lipsticks. I don't have this color. I have one in whatever color it was. Oh, right here. I got this one in my box. I like this one, so I wanted to give this one a try. It is really peach, or like, I guess I had a theme going. I'm not sure. We're gonna try it. I mean, I'm down for whatever. We'll see. I like the formula of the melted stuff, so I am pretty excited about that. And then we got the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette by Purr. I thought this was really pretty. And for the price of the add-ons, I mean, the price of the add-ons is just really affordable. So if you're not a charmer, but you've ever thought about it, it's worth it. This is actually really pretty. I've never used this brand, so I'm kind of interested to see how it works. I'm just not even gonna take the plastic off of this. This is covered in plastic. I'm just gonna leave it on there for now. I have so many palettes in rotation right now, but this one is pretty, and I will be looking forward to using it eventually. So yeah, that's it. It was just a few things. Mainly I just wanted to come and talk about Jeffree Star, so I figured did that, talked about this stuff, and yeah, I think that's all. I will be doing a get ready with me soon, hopefully. I don't know. I have a look that I am wanting to do very soon, that a friend requested, and I just have to get in the mood. And also, I have a drag look, because, well, that was so much fun the last time. It actually was. It really made me happy. like it was just fun to do something that was not me. And even after I was done, it was still not me. But it was still fun to do it. So stay tuned for all of that stuff, and yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Bye.